Hello and welcome to the Eastern Idaho Planning Briefing for Wednesday, December 2nd. This is what you'll see in the presentation. We're looking for stable and stagnant air, expecting it to continue through Tuesday night. There's a possible exception of Sunday and Sunday night in the extreme western portion of our forecast area where it hasn't shown up in days previous to this since Sunday has been in our forecast window, but there appears to be a chance one model product that we look at is looking for a low to move into that area, possibly produce some precipitation in western Idaho, and so that would be clouds and a slight chance of precipitation for some of our mountain zones, the Wood River Basin, Sawtooth Mountains, and then the mountains to the south of the Snake River. And overall, though, we are looking for it to be cold. There's a slow warming trend. Temperature should go above normal for highs, starting with the highs on Saturday. Until then, look for below zero and single-digit overnight lows in our populated areas through Friday night. All right, here's the satellite. You can see it's mainly clear over us as we put the loop in motion. Just a few cirrus along our border with Montana and Utah. There is some fog that has developed in the Teton Valley and in the Snake River Plain and Eastern Magic Valley. Rather large patches, but it is patchy. It is affecting in the Teton Valley. Visibilities are as low as a quarter mile this morning. All of that should improve by 11 a.m. today, and skies will revert to being clear with unrestricted visibility. Here's our overview as far as weather impacts. So in these valley locations, in the Snake Plain, the Eastern Magic Valley, the Southeast Highlands, and the Eastern Highlands in Lehigh County, these are fog-prone areas, and they are prone every day of the week. The air is so stagnant, an air stagnation advisory has been issued, and so be on the watch as the stagnant conditions continue, with human activity putting particulate matter into the atmosphere, and with it not mixing out with the inversion staying in during the day. The air quality could finally get to hazardous levels, but so far there's no forecast for that yet. And then here on Sunday night, you can see from the Wood River, Sawtooth, and Lehigh County, mostly the eastern portions of all of those areas, we're all looking for a slight chance of snow. And again, that's mainly would be in the high elevations for those zones. And again, by tomorrow, you may see that has disappeared from the forecast once again. So we are monitoring that. The rest of this, we'll just look at some breezy wind conditions each afternoon out of 3 of the next 4, and then looking at the highs and lows. So, and you can, if you want take a detailed look at this, just pause the presentation. First of all, for today, highs will range in the 30s for the populated areas and lower elevations. Overnight lows, you can see quite a few places getting below zero. Stanley, 12 below. A lot of the INL property will be at single digits or colder. Island Park area, 0. Ashton, -1. Driggs, 11 below. High temperatures on Thursday, you can see we're starting to warm a little bit, up maybe 2 to 4 degrees. Lows continue cold Thursday night. Again, Driggs, -11. Stanley, -12. High temperatures on Friday, a little bit warmer. Idaho Falls now above freezing for our afternoon highs. Low temperature on Saturday morning. You can see it's quite a bit warmer. Stanley's lost its 12 below, and now we're looking at 2 above. Driggs is a full 22 degrees warmer at 11 above. Here's Saturday. We actually see some temperatures in the Eastern Magic Valley and lower Snake River Plain getting to 40 degrees. And the low temperatures for Sunday morning continue to be mild, a little bit higher, especially on the western side if we do get that cloud cover. Wind speeds this afternoon, 10 to 15 miles an hour, and you can see that is actually out of the east for the Eastern Magic Valley. So we are seeing the usual switch to a westerly wind. Here it is, not as a little bit weaker for Thursday. It's even weaker on Friday, and then it sort of makes a little bit of a return here Saturday. So that's really all I have. Just look for stagnant, stable conditions, and we'll track and see what happens for Sunday night. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can call us at this telephone number or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.